What are the asset in accounting? So, understanding asset in accounting can help businesses obtain both short-term as well as long-term financial goals. Okay, so the term asset is often heard by many people's financial value in business being asset. An asset can be any resources that individual or a corporation control and generate a positive economic benefit. Okay, so for its owner. Okay, personal asset contribute person's wealth, while business asset are the for the corporation and are listed on the balance sheet and used against liabilities and equity. Here is a premier on the asset, including how they work and how determine their value. So what are the asset in a business? Assets are resources owned by the individual or the corporations, okay, that can be converted into cash or generate cash flow in the future. Example of the personal asset include homes, car, arts, property and investments such as the bonds, pensions and retirement plans. Okay, a person net worth is calculated by subtracting their liabilities, everything they own, from their asset, everything they own. Okay, business asset include anything the business owns that has positive economic value and could sustain production and growth. A company lists its asset on the balance sheet. Okay, so which detail on the business worth, how its finances financed and how well it's managed its resources. So yeah, this is about example of the asset. So the most common asset that companies list on their balance sheet are cash, then investments, then accounts receivable, okay, then inventory, prepaid expenses, then property, buildings, equipment, furnitures, vehicles and company devices such as computers and any laptops, any other devices, company devices. Calculating the total value of asset can help determine a company's net worth. Businesses need to classify the asset to determine the business value and financial health. Okay, so having this type of the real-time information at their disposal, cash, inventory, etc., is incredibly beneficial to business owners. And classifying short-term assets such as cash and accounts receivable and inventory provided by snapshot of where the business owner resources are invested for operations. The think of it's a tripod. Too much allocation in one area can unbalance a balanced financial positions. Okay, so how do asset works? Basically, it is essential to keep track on business asset because they can be necessary in many financial matter for a corporation when business to approve it. They also use certain asset as collaborator depending on the amount of the loans. Every asset has three key properties that help determine its value. First is ownership. Asset that represent ownership can be converted into cash and cash equivalent. Economic value. Asset with economic value sold or exchange. Resource. Asset can be used to create future financial benefit.